wants to meet a fish. Look under the water. It's a little fish. The fish doesn't talk, but it goes gulp, gulp with its mouth. Can you make a gulp, gulp sound? And pretend to swim like a fish.